Imagine a dessert that you can enjoy in seconds that tastes just like soft serve ice cream, but it was so healthy for you, you could even have it for breakfast. With Yonanas, you can. Just peel and freeze overripe cheetah spotted bananas, or use your favorite frozen fruit to create healthy treats you swear is ice cream, but is made only from fruit. Simply snap and lock in place. Turn the machine on, feed frozen fruit through the chute. Alternate pieces of fruit to make that perfect blend of your favorite Yonanas. Everyone in your family can have their own custom-made Yonanas flavor. If you love strawberries, mango, peaches, or chocolate, simply feed them into the Yonanas maker to create your personal favorite. Yonanas are delicious with or without bananas. Unlike a blender or food processor with a single blade that shreds frozen fruit, Yonanas technology grinds and emulsifies 100% frozen fruit to create a treat that looks, tastes, and feels like soft serve ice cream in seconds. Easy, delicious and dairy-free. Yonana's recipes are endless. Pies, popsicles, bonbons, tiramisu, 100% fruit, or add some chocolate. You're only limited by your imagination. And cleanup is fast and easy too because Yonana's is dishwasher safe. Wow, 100% frozen fruit. Indulge in dessert anytime and never feel guilty with Yonana's.
The Easy Pull manual food processor from Xylus is a quick and easy way to chop, mix, and blend food. The processor has a 3-cup capacity bowl to prep larger quantities and features a non-slip silicone base for safety and a better grip. To use, simply fit the booster arm onto the blade and insert into the base. Then, place your ingredients into the bowl. Place the lid on top and pull the ring to the side. This activates the chopping. Once you have finished your food preparation, the blades and the base can go directly into the dishwasher. Wipe the lid clean under hot tap. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, or dips, the Easy Pull food processor is quick, easy to use, and leaves little mess. It is the ultimate food preparation tool.
Hi there! The Easy Prep Bento Box Set is the perfect on-the-go storage solution for your healthy, portion-controlled meals. This 20-pack comes with everything you need to store several meals at once. Each container has 3 compartments each, holding up to 32 ounces. First, you create and prep the perfect meal, then simply load up each compartment with your delicious, healthy food. And see, isn't this a great way to keep your portion sizes under control? It keeps you from overeating. Then just stack them up and store them in the fridge or the freezer. You can safely heat them up in the microwave. They're built to withstand several washings in the dishwasher. And check out this durability. They're designed to hold up to multiple uses. You'll be happy to know Easy Prepa food containers are safe to use, made with the highest quality, eco-friendly, EPA-free plastic material. Enjoy the safe, tough, reusable portion control, on-the-go, meal prep storage solution from Easy Prep Bento Boxes today.
Have you ever wished that there's something that could take the hard work out of the laborious job of chopping vegetables and fruits? Or have you ever wondered how to not get watery eyes while cutting onions? If so, the Prepa's Food Chopper is your answer. This versatile tool makes quick work out of tough cutting tasks. And it's so easy to assemble, use, and care for. And the best thing is, no battery required. Components: a 3-cup capacity bowl, lid with a cord pulling mechanism, cutting rotator with 2 ultra-sharp stainless steel blades, a complete pull on the cord to chop food 16 times. How fine or coarse your food is will depend on the number of pulls you use. With some nuts, put them inside. Take the lid, place it on top. Then just pull the cord a few times. The more you pull, the more finely chopped your food will be. Another thing that it's great for is onions. You it into smaller chunks if necessary. Place the chopped food around the blade in the container. Be sure not to fill more than 2/3 full. Locate the pin in the base of the lid into the center of the blade. Ensure the lid fits flush with the container. With one hand, push down firmly on the lid of the food chopper. Using the free hand to pull the ripcord that splits the chopping blades. At first, pull the cord gently to ensure it's moving freely. It builds resistance from hard food like carrots. Start the chopping process with short pulls. If the blade doesn't move freely, open the lid to check that the blade has been located correctly in the lid. Reposition large chunks around the blade if necessary. A complete pull on the cord will chop food 16 times. To reach a desired consistency of your food, open the lid and inspect food every second or third pull. Tips: how fine or coarse your food is will depend on the number of pulls you use. 1 to 5 pulls for coarse, chunky cuts. 6 to 10 pulls for medium fine cuts. 11 to 20 pulls for fine to very fine cuts. 20 or more pulls for very fine of puree consistency. How to clean it. Cleanup is a snap. Use a damp cloth with detergent to remove any food from the base of the lid. Do not submerge the lid underwater when cleaning. The rest of the unit is dishwasher safe and can simply be washed with some soap and water. The pre-fitted food chopper is a versatile and indispensable kitchen tool. You'll want to have it on the kitchen counter at all times.